All air passengers coming to the United States, including U.S. citizens and fully vaccinated people, are required to have COVID-19 test results no more than 3 days before travel or documentation of recovery from COVID-19 in the past 3 months before they board a flight to the United States. That's a CDC guidance document. So first, Dr. Walensky, should everybody who comes in the United States follow this guidance, not just American citizens, but everybody coming into the United States?
The CDC guidance by air is guidance not just coming from Mexico, it's air travel from all over the country.
So Guatemala, for example, should follow
all over the
guidance.
globe, Europe, everywhere.
El Salvador should follow this guidance?
All over the globe if you travel by air.
If somebody came from one of those countries that you just listed, you said every country, but here you're specifically talking about Mexico. If they came from Mexico and then got on an airplane without a COVID test, does that violate CDC guidance?
This is guidance, it's not law, but these are the recommendations.
Okay, so it doesn't say recommendation. This says all are required. That's not a recommendation, Dr. Walensky. That's a requirement by the federal government for American citizens. Is there an exemption for people who come here illegally to this guidance? It's a yes or no question. Should everybody comply? Or
everybody
just
coming
citizens?
into the United States by air is supposed to have a test 1 to 3 days before coming and 3 to 5 days.
Okay, well then let me just advise you that the Director of Homeland Security has testified that that's not happening. Dr. Fauci, does this look like social distancing to you that you require when you talk about 6 feet?
No.
So in these cells, as you just said, they're violating the very guidance that you tell Americans to follow. A restaurant in the United States would be shut down today if they were being run like this, yet the federal government, the Biden administration, is running this facility. You can see all of these young children who are next to each other 6 inches apart, many without masks, by the way. Does that follow your guidance that you've issued?
No.
Dr. Fauci, do you think that sends the right message to America, who people are trying to recover and get back to their way of life, that if you're a citizen, you follow this set of rules, but if you come here illegally, you don't have to follow any of your rules?
No doubt it's a very difficult situation at the border, Congressman.
Do you think this should get fixed?
Excuse me?
Do you think this should get fixed and they start following the same rules that you and I have to follow?
I mean, obviously everyone would like to see that situation fixed, I know, but it's a very difficult situation.